Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload any picture on Pinterest. So in this case, log into your Pinterest account. Then you have to click on this create option. Click on create. Now all you have to just click on this choose file or drag drop it down here. Click on this arrow sign. Choose a file from your computer or picture, and then you can add your title here. Write your description here. Now you can put here any link if you want. You can choose any board. Okay. You can add any topic. Now all you have to just click on publish. Wait for some seconds. Okay, your pin has been uploaded. You can see this by clicking on view. Here's your thing, what you have uploaded here. So guys, this is how you can publish or upload a picture on Pinterest. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.